Hello guys, in this session I will explain how to write first JavaFX application. In order to write JavaFX application, open Notepad++ editor, open a new file, save as sample JavaFX 1.java. Import necessary packages required to develop JavaFX application. The packages are javafx.application, then javafx.stage, then javafx.scene, then javafx.scene.paint, then javafx.scene.layout, then javafx.scene.shape. So these are the necessary packages required for develop JavaFX application. In order to work with JavaFX application, JavaFX application is useful. In order to create the stage of the JavaFX application, javafx.stage package contains the necessary classes to create the JavaFX stage. In order to create the scene for JavaFX application, javafx.scene contains the necessary classes and interfaces to create the JavaFX scene. In order to lay out the components on the scene, javafx.scene.layout contains the necessary layouts. In order to paint on the JavaFX scene, JavaFX scene.paint package contains the necessary classes. In order to create shapes or any visual effects, javafx.scene.shape contains the necessary classes. Next, create one public class, sample JavaFX1, which extends application class. This application class is imported from the javafx.application. Next, override init method to initialize the necessary components of the JavaFX application. So in this application, no necessary components are initialized, just displaying the message from init method. Close the init method. Next, defines the start method to define the action for JavaFX application when it is started its execution. Start method takes one argument, that is stage class argument, and start method throws exception. I am throwing the exception by using throws keyword. Next, create a group class to arrange the components on the JavaFX scene. Group G is equal to new group. Create the scene to add the scene on the JavaFX stage. Scene S is equal to new scene of argument as a group object G comma 500 comma 700. The second argument of the scene is specifies the width of the scene. Third argument of the scene specifies the height of the scene, and first argument of the scene object creation specifies the group object. Next, fill the color for the scene by calling setFill method. Scene dot setFill of color dot yellow. Here scene object is yes. I am changing scene to yes. Next, set the title for the stage. st dot set title of first JavaFX application. Next, invoke the show method on stage object st dot show. Next, set the scene for stage. Set scene of scene object. Now start method is ready to execute the default JavaFX application. Next, another method I am writing to stop the JavaFX application when JavaFX application is terminated or not necessary required to execute. Automatically stop method is executed. I am writing default code for the stop method. System.out.println from stop method. Add system.out.println statement in start method also to understand whether start method started its execution or not from command prompt. From start method. Next, define public static void main to launch JavaFX application. Launch of arguments. So this is the simple logic to write a sample JavaFX application. Now we'll save the program and compile the program from command prompt. I am compiling the program sample JavaFX1.java. So one error is occurred. We'll rectify that error. So no errors. We'll run the program sample JavaFX1. One new window is opened which act as a rich interface for the JavaFX application. So the title of the JavaFX application, what is called from the set title method, that is first JavaFX application, that is displayed on the rich internet application title, and the color of the JavaFX application is set as a yellow color. So the JavaFX window, GUI window displays the yellow color. And in the command prompt, the method executed, init method is executed when application is loaded into JVM. After then, when JavaFX application starts its execution after creating stage object by the JVM, start method starts its execution. It displays the from start method. When I would like to close the JavaFX screen, automatically stop method executed from stop method output displays on the command prompt. We can observe from stop method statement on the command prompt. So now from stop method code is displayed on the command prompt. Now I will stop the execution of the program. So this is a simple program to write the JavaFX application, and we understood how to learn the JavaFX application, how to execute JavaFX application from command prompt.